This video demonstrates the basic steps of installing a Rustic Timbers log set with a Radiant Glow kit. Now let's begin. Center and attach the Radiant Glow bracket to the back wall of the burner pan. If using a safety pilot kit, allow 1-inch clearance between the Radiant Glow bracket and the pilot assembly. Fill the burner pan with media. Use sand for natural gas or vermiculite for propane. The burner pan media level should be sloped evenly with the sides of the pan, covering all burner pipes. Place the front legs of the grate in front of the burner pipe and over the outside walls of the burner pan. Allow a 1-inch minimum of clearance between the grate legs and the burner pipe. Place the radiant riser on the grate, inserting the pedestals between the slots of the riser. The position may be adjusted later so that the arms of the riser touch the back of the front logs. Use the embers to fill the gap between the fiber riser and the Radiant Glow bracket. It might be necessary to compact the embers in your hand before placing them under the riser. Cover the rest of the Radiant bracket with embers, then move down to the ember bed covering all visible sand. Fill in the slots around the grate pedestals. This will help create an ideal heat chamber. Use the volcanic cinder to cover the fireplace floor. The cinder can also hide all gas fittings. For proper log position, refer to the log diagram instruction included with your Radiant Heat log set. Place the back log on the Radiant riser so that the face of the back log is flush with the face of the riser. Place the longest front log diagonally across the grate. The charred tip of the log should almost touch the Radiant riser. The split into the log should be angled to the front right-hand side of the grate. Place the remaining front log on the left part of the grate with the charred section pointing toward the middle of the grate. Use the log diagram instruction sheet as a guideline for placement of the top logs. Once completed, the top logs may be adjusted to improve the flame or glow effect. The finished product will bring beauty and warmth for years to come.